Hey Foldabots builder, this is the Foldabots Assembly Guide. And all you need are scissors, glue, and some paper clips to build ELEMENTRON, the master of all elements. So first start with ELEMENTRON's head. Apply a thin coat of glue on the back tab and glue it to itself to form his boxy head. So with this rectangular prism, you can make it more interesting by folding these flaps inward. And if you put a paper clip right on ELEMENTRON's face, you can slide it in and keep it here behind Ukai as his engine. That actually completes the Ukai model. Okay? So going back to building ELEMENTRON. To prepare his head, put the clip on the back panel. Right there. So now we're ready. So building the entire Foldabot Combiner team, you'll need all the members. Ukai, Tutubi, Alon and Agos in boat form, and Siklab. So the first step is to detach Alon and Agos and form them into a foot shape, just like this. They're upside down. Next, put Ukai's hands inside his side slits and insert Alon and Agos on the left and right legs of Ukai. So once you've done this, you're almost complete. So next, I'm putting some paper clips on these crawlers so that we can put the two arms that attach to those paper clips. On his right arm, we have Siklab. Now this way seems to be hard, but I think I managed to get it on somehow. Okay, it's better to put the clip onto the fastener and then attach it to the crawler. So it's gonna get a little heavier on one side at this point, but it's gonna be waiting for Tutubi's weight to come in there. So let's just put that boomerang tail back in place, and it seems to work better here on this side, maybe depending on your paper clip size. And now we've got ELEMENTRON nice and balanced on the left and right. Now to get that ELEMENTRON head on, just clip ELEMENTRON's head on Ukai's head, and there we go. Oh, don't forget his weapon. So we've got Ukai's digger arm, and we can put that right here on Tutubi's front part. And here he is going for a spin. So behold the mighty ELEMENTRON. Thank you for watching.